Portable air conditioners confuse a lot of people. Why is there a big hose? Why does it blow hot air outside? And how does this small box cool your entire room? Today, I'll explain how a portable AC works in the simplest way possible. No hard science, just real-life understanding. A portable air conditioner works differently from a window AC or a central AC. In a normal air conditioner, the system is split. The evaporator coil is inside. The condenser coil is outside, so the heat gets released outdoors. But with a portable AC, everything, and I mean everything, is inside your room. So the machine has to remove heat and moisture, but still keep your room cool. That's why the hose is so important. A lot of people ask, is the hose supposed to blow hot air outside? Yes, that is exactly what it's supposed to do. The AC pulls heat and moisture out of the room air, but that heat must go somewhere. If it stayed inside the house, the room would never cool down. The hose is the exit path. It removes all that heat. Portable ACs come in two types, single hose and dual hose. Let's keep it simple. A dual hose AC pulls fresh air from outside through one hose, then pushes hot and moist air out through the second hose. That makes it more efficient. A single hose AC sucks air from your room, removes heat, then pushes that hot air outside through the same hose. This means the AC is throwing away some of the cool air it just created. So single hose units cool slower and use more power. Portable ACs come in two types, single hose and dual hose. Let's keep it simple. A dual hose AC pulls fresh air from outside through one hose, then pushes hot and moist air out through the second hose. That makes it more efficient. A single hose AC sucks air from your room, removes heat, then pushes that hot air outside through the same hose. This means the AC is throwing away some of the cool air it just created. So single hose units cool slower and use more power. A portable AC has two fans inside. Fan 1, top fan, room cooling. It pulls warm room air through back filter. That air passes over the evaporator coil, which is freezing cold. The coil absorbs the heat, cools the air, and the fan blows cold air out the top. Fan 2, bottom fan, exhausts hot air. This fan removes the heat collected by the AC. It pushes that heat out through the hose. This is why the hose gets very hot. It's carrying the heat your AC removed. ACs don't just remove heat. They remove humidity too. Older portable ACs required a drain hose or manual water tank emptying. But most modern ACs are self-evaporating. They take the collected water, fling it onto the hot condenser coil, and evaporate it into the exhaust air. No water buckets, no draining. It all leaves through the hose. These ACs come with multiple modes that confuse a lot of people. Let me explain them quickly. Cool mode runs compressor plus fans maximum cooling. Dry mode removes moisture but only minimal cooling. Good for humid days. Fan mode just circulates air, no cooling. Auto mode. The AC decides when to cool or just run the fan based on room temperature. This helps you use the AC efficiently and keep your energy bill lower. Many people complain that portable ACs don't cool well. Here are the top reasons why. Dirty filters. Hose leaking hot air back inside. Not sealed properly in the window. Long exhaust hose. Heat returns into room. Room too large for the AC BTU rating. Fixing these can instantly make your AC 30 to 40% more effective. And that's a simple explanation of how a portable air conditioner works. No complicated science, just a clear understanding. If this helped you, make sure to check my other videos where I explain all AC modes and how to install portable AC properly. A portable AC in a window, AC walk into a room. Window AC says, I'm cool. Portable AC says, yeah, I'm cool and portable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.